Grosbeak's here for a visit. We'll see if he'll stay so I can film him. There he is. Hi, pretty bird. Yeah. Oh, that's a pretty bird. Rose-breasted grosbeak. Let's go zoom 15. That's maximum zoom right there. Not bad. Not bad. There's enough light out here to pick it up pretty well. Usually he comes later in the evening, but this is nice. That is the male rose-breasted grosbeak. They normally show up here for a little while and then move on north, but perhaps he's gonna decide to live around here. It's a pretty bird. Yeah, I'm looking at you, buddy. Here's to you. Thanks for posing. I appreciate it. He's looking pretty nice back here.